days, I can't believe that I was washing some clothes in my machine, yeah? This 15-pound note was in the machine for 45 minutes. And look at the money. The money is still good, and the machine do have hot water. And look at this. Nothing wrong with this new 5-pound note, guys. It's just, I can't believe. I just can't believe. Then I said to myself, you know what happened? I went outside, yeah, and I fill up my tub with water. And when I fill up the tub with the water, I just to show the fans them say these new 5-pound notes, trust me, there's nothing. Still good. It's still good. This money is, look, I'm showing you something, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. This is a 15-pound note, yeah? And this is the new 5-pound note. And I'm telling you, I can't believe it. This is the way it works. I'm telling you, you are at home, yeah? Give it a try with something, you know what I mean? Let's put it into something and do something in the machine, yeah? This 15-pound note was in the machine for 45 minutes in the machine. And it come out. And when it come out, there's nothing wrong with the 15-pound. The 15-pound is still good. I can go to any shop and use my 15-pound. A 15-pound can buy a lot of stuff. Yeah? And look at this. I'm gonna show you something in front of the camera again, guys. Still good. And I'm putting all my strength in it. And it's still good. The 15-pound. Can't believe. Anyway, if you are in another country and doesn't know about this 15-pound note, honestly, I won't gonna send 5 pounds to you guys. You need to get one of these 5-pound note, yeah? I will send one to you. Make you see exactly. Anyone of you guys into another country doesn't know anything about this new British 5-pound note. This one. I'm going to send you 5 pounds for you to prove it for yourself. I'm telling you, you can put this down in your toilet to flush it and it come out through down there, still good same way. So there's anything you can do with this money, it's still perfect. New 5-pound note, amazing. It is amazing. Anyway, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and also get my cookbook, innit? 50% off at the moment. I just explain it to the fans and to know that this 5-pound note is just amazing because it was in my machine for 45 minutes and it's still good. You can buy stuff with it the same way. Enjoy it. See you and subscribe next time. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.